we have to make a place for God in our worship. I worry that our view of worship has become so skewed that we have muscled God out of our worship so that we could replace God with entertainment. Sometimes if you're the singer, it's all about me. It's all about how good we sing, how good we look while we sing, how talented we are in our instruments. Oh, but what about you worshipers? But how many times do we walk into a church and we come in and we sit down and we say, all right, worship for me.